In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce CPC on Facebook ads in just 5 minutes. Managing your cost per click is a crucial way to make sure you're getting the most out of your advertising budget on Facebook. Let's walk through this process together to make sure you can efficiently optimize your ad spend. First things first, we need to head over to Facebook Ads Manager. This tool is essential for anyone looking to manage their Facebook ads effectively. You can easily find it by searching for Facebook Ads Manager on Google. Once you've done that, click on the link that says Go to Ads Manager. This will direct you to the login page if you haven't logged in already. The next step is straightforward but important. Enter your email and password to access your account. After entering your credentials, click on Login. This will bring you to your Ads Manager dashboard where you can view and manage all your campaigns. Next, navigate to the Campaigns dashboard. This section gives you an overview of all your active and past campaigns. It's a great way to monitor performance and find areas for improvement. From there, click on Ads Reporting. Here you will see a detailed report of your ads. Understanding this report is key to reducing your CPC because it shows how your ads are performing across various metrics. Now let's focus on understanding your CPC, which stands for cost per click. In simple terms, this is the amount you're charged each time someone clicks on your ad. Familiarizing yourself with this metric helps you gauge the effectiveness of your campaigns and refines your ad strategy. To start reducing your CPC, focus on precise targeting. Narrow down your audience to those most likely to engage with your ads. This means delving into demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring your ads reach people who are genuinely interested. Simultaneously, work on improving your ad relevance. Create engaging and high-quality ad content that resonates with your audience. Facebook rewards ads that users find relevant, which can reduce your CPC. Optimizing your bidding strategies is another effective way to lower your CPC. Decide whether automatic or manual bidding aligns with your objectives, testing different approaches to find what works best for your campaigns. Ultimately, the trick lies in finding the right balance between reach and cost. You want to ensure you are reaching a wide audience without overspending. By implementing these strategies consistently, you can significantly lower your CPC and get more out of your advertising investments. And that's it. Following these steps can help you refine your Facebook ad strategies and ensure you're spending wisely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on enhancing your digital marketing efficiency.